Hello, I will try to tell you how to define stepper motor coils points with measuring this ohm meter. Actually, there are two kind of stepper motors in the industry. One is bipolar and the other one is unipolar. Unipolar motors minimum has 5 wires. Most of them are 6 wires, and this is the schematic of the unipolar motor. And bipolar motor has 4 wires. On my desk there are two kind of motors. This is 4 wire bipolar stepper motor. It's actually small size and small torque, and this is 6 wires unipolar stepper motor, which is schematic is here, and we will try to define with, as I said, with ohm meter. So this motor has 4 wires and we need to find this A and B points, and second A and B points you can make label different, for example A and not A, or 1A 1B. And this is our second stepper motor. It's unipolar. As I said, it has 6 wires, and it's a little bit confusing. It looks like a little confusing, but it's simple as bipolar. It just has a power source, voltage source entrance between A1 and B1, as you see, and usually this motor voltage source has the middle of this coil. So let's try to understand which is A1, which is B1, and which is motor source. So we start to measure it from left to right, as usual we do, and it has almost 4 ohm, 3.8.7, and it has other measure is 5.7. So if we measure again from middle to second point to third point, it says 3.8. so let's write it, and 3.8 here, and and 3.8 here too. So total is about 6 ohm. We measured that part too. We finished the first 3 points, and 4.4 and 0.5 is about 4 ohm. Here is 4 ohm, and here is about 4 ohm too, almost 4 ohm. So total is about 6 ohm. We wrote it wrong. It's about 6 ohm. So this is the unipolar coil names, Actually, we can use this unipolar motor as a bipolar motor. There is just small difference between them. It's, as you can see, motor source, voltage motor source. If we don't use it, then if we use in bipolar driver, then we can use the unipolar as a bipolar motor. This is the schematic of Pololu motor driver. Model is A3988, and it is a driver for bipolar motors. So this is 9 voltage motor source, and this is ground, and this is 5 volt is for logical operations, and this is enable pin. This reset and sleep is connected between to each other, and this is step and this is direction pins. So finally we need the three pin, empty pin, free pin from Arduino. This is for enable, and the other one is for step, and this is number 5 is for direction. Actually, you can use the different pins. It depends by your project which pins are free in your Arduino. This is Arduino Uno board, and bipolar motor you can make connection A1 and B1 here, A1 and B1, and A2 and B2, A2 and B2. If you try to use a unipolar motor, then you can cancel those motor source coils, which is the middle of the two parts. This is number 2 and number 5, and you can use this motor as a bipolar motor, and it gives more torque. Usually bipolar motor has a little more torque than unipolar motors. So this is it.